I've been with organizations that are supporting, the youth as well. And that is one of the things that I'm looking forward to it as well, to mentor Philippine younger generations, not only first generation young Filipinos that came here, but also the second generations, because for them, kumbaga, again, we are only stuck with one brand of, when we say you're a Filipino, you're stuck with, oh, hanggang caregiver ka, nurse ka,
That's
nasa
true.
healthcare. But we have a set of skills that we can do. There are, I've seen youth that becomes artists, they become, singers, or leaders, like senators or
That's true.
doctors. So yeah, or lawyers, right?
Yeah, reminds me of this. I was looking at this newspaper na Filipino newspaper, and
Mm-hmm.
na-mention doon na merong parang yung mga parliamentarians na mga youth, Filipino youth that are working in the parliament, and
Yes.
they're parang meron silang meet up din na gagawin. So it's, which is
Oh,
nice, right? Kasi
it
parang,
is.
you know, maganda rin na merong representation yung mga Filipinos
Mm-hmm.
sa government, right? So
Oh,
which is
yes. And yeah, and we have to show them that we are diverse, and
mhm,
we are not limiting our standards to what we
mhm.
are, and that's why we have to show to them that we could do whatever that, as any other Canadians are.
That's true. That's true. That's good. That's good. And yeah, so we'll end our discussion here. And again, maraming salamat sa ating kapatid at friend na sa kanyang pagpapaunlak dito sa ating ngayong araw na ito, at pag-share ng kanyang life journey dito sa Canada as a young Filipino Canadian, and yung kanyang experiences. So if you have other, if you want to reach out kay Biel, I would put his information sa show notes with his permission, of course, na
Okay.
para mag-mentor, like you said, you're open to mentoring as well yung mga younger generations, right?
Yes, for sure.
All right. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Biel. At yeah,
Thank
take
you.
care.
Thank you.